In this video, I'll show you how to find your Instagram password if you ever forget it. Now on your phone, tap on the settings. Scroll downwards to find Google. Tap on Google. Tap on the right arrow. Tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll downwards. Tap on Password Manager. Scroll downwards. That is Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now over here, you need to enter your screen lock or scan your fingerprint. So I'm going to scan my fingerprint to get access into this password section. And there it is, Instagram. All you need to do is tap on the eye icon and there is your password. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see how to change your password, click on the video that appears. I'll see you in my next video.